Hello everybody, welcome back. As you see, we have another unboxing, and yes, here is Gidget with her bone. Thank you for sharing. Thank you. Do you want it back? There you go. All yours. All yours. Your bone. But as you see, we have an unboxing. This just came today, and it is an eBay purchase. And I'm sure you've all seen one of these before, but you're going to see another one today. I don't know why I'm addicted to these all of a sudden. I really like them and I've been getting them. So let's open it up. Well, that was that. Get the box out of the way and let's have a look at this. So, well, it's seen better days. But this is the Kenmore upright vacuum. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely needs a cleanup. As you can see, there are lots of scratches on the side, on both sides. But, well, it has a clean HEPA bag in it. And the filter in there is clean. That's nice. It doesn't stink, but you can see on the front, it has some scratches and scuffs, but I think that's just dirt, to be honest with you. But the inside's nice and clean. Got the carpet adjustment and the headlight. Guess I should tilt this down so you can see it. Let's see. Wheels are in good condition. Brush roll, very good condition. Base plate is nice, not all scraped and messed up. That's nice. Check bag indicator is there. Quick release works for the cable. Cable. Let's see. That's looking all intact. No issues with that, so that's good. I'm not seeing any attachments with this. The HEPA filter needs replacing. That's okay. We can do that. There we go. Hose is looking pretty good. Yeah, not seeing any problems with that. I'm going to get this off. And we'll leave it on for now. So it needs a good cleaning. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Make sure it's off. Make sure it don't blow up on us, right? sounds like it runs fine. Let's put you down on the floor and throw some dirt down and see what we come up with. Okay, here we go with some rice. That's all we got for today is rice. All right, Mr. Kenmore, let's go for it. Well, there's 1, 2, 3 pieces of rice left behind, but not bad at all. I don't know what it is about these Kenmore uprights that I'm liking so much, but I'm really liking them. I don't know, I know they're kind of big and bulky, but they seem to do a pretty good job. And they're easy to use. I don't know, I just really like these vacuums. But let's go ahead, let me bring you back up and bring you forward. And let's see if we can clean this up a little bit. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that on there. It's a lot of smuts. Let's see if we can get that off. Well, some of it's coming off. So I guess that's scratches. I don't know what that is. Let me see if I have a scrubby. Hold on. Got myself a magic eraser. Let's see if this comes off. Sure did. Oh, look at that. Voila. All nice and clean. Let's see if we can get some of this other crap off. I don't know, in my opinion, I just think these are good vacuums. Well, that's pretty deep scratches there. Well, at least the paint's coming off the rubber, huh? Makes it look much better. Much better. I know most people think, oh, it's a vacuum, who cares? But you know, for us collectors, it means something. Wow, this side's really bad. Looks like they were vacuuming a house that just got painted or something. How else would you get all this kind of paint? But that's better. Not perfect, but better. Might have to get my buffer out and kind of like give it a really good clean. Not bad, not bad at all. Yeah, this one's your basic. It doesn't have the dirt searcher or no digital, no nothing. This one is just the basic one. Not like the other one that I have. But there we go. Let's give it another run for fun. All right, let me wind up the cord. There we go. See if I can go online and find the attachments to it. See if we can make it complete. I've got this one. And grab this one. So move this one over. This one is the Elite. Okay. And this one, which is the Kenmore Progressive. And let me put you back up on the tripod. See if we can get you to focus. But there you go. So as you can see, we have two of the L Basic. Come on, girls, get out of the way. Come on, move. There you go. So you got this one and this one. This one is all complete, has all its tools on board. You got the Kenmore Elite. It has everything except I need to get a screw for the to wind up the cable. The little latch broke. And then on the other side, you have the Kenmore Progressive. So I think we're coming along with getting all of them. I think there's one more that has the push button on the handle for the on and off and brush roll. But so far, the one that I grab all the time is the Elite. I don't know why, but I believe the brush roll does a better job. I mean, Here's the standard. But look at that brush roll. There's the big difference. Small opening, small brush roll, very soft bristles. Wide opening, big brush roll. The bristles are a little bit more stiff. For some reason, when you go over anything with this, it just picks it up on the first pass. This one that I just did the demo on, sometimes it took 2 passes to pick up the rice. But I still like it. I love these machines. But I always go for this one. Anyway, whew, it's a hot day. It's kind of strange. I came home and found a vacuum on my front step and I was excited. Pretty sad, but fun. Anyways, thanks for coming along. Talk to you soon. Give a thumbs up, ring the bell, and think about subscribing. Why? Because that makes me happy. Talk to you soon. Be safe and have a good day.